Hi, welcome back to Sananta Diary Channel. Today I'm gonna share you how to make the street food pad gapao and basil stir fries. So this street food classics I'm gonna share you how to make classic food at home because I live in the apartment. It's difficult to making or cooking because the tenant cannot cooking with the gas. We can only use the electric pot. Today I'm gonna share you how to make pad gapao with the electric pot. And before making pad gapao, I want to share you the ingredient. The main ingredient is basil. Royal basil is a little bit spicy and good smell. Another ingredient is the garlic. It's very important to add some garlic, and you cannot make pad gapao without chili. Today I prefer to use less chili, so it's very super spicy because normally people making pad gapao with the pecorino is the green chili, but today I like to use the red dry chili because it's too spicy and I like this color. And main ingredient, the protein, I use the pork mince. You can use another mince such as chicken mince or meat mince or even the seafood. You can prefer to use any ingredients instead of pork. Okay, let's cooking. Start with add a little bit water. Normally people making pad gapao they use oil, but today I avoid to use oil because this pad gapao is quite healthy food. Add some garlic here. And add some chili. Wow. And then add pork mince. The sauce. Oyster sauce. And add some soy sauce. I don't use the sugar. Only this ingredient is enough to cook pad gapao. Right? Wow. On top, on the light. This is pork and basil stir fries making by Sunanta. It's the seafood classic. It looks delicious, right? I make pad gapao without oil because I want to be healthy, and I recommend you can use water instead the oil. And you might see how to make it very easy, right? And I hope you enjoy my video and you can make it at your home. Home cooking is very good activity. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.